I was just sent this MagSafe case for the iPhone 15 Pro from AMDXD to review, so let's take a look. It comes with 2 tempered glass screen protectors, 2 lens protectors, and the installation gear, but let's check out this case first. It's got a built-in N52 magnet ring, a hard PC back, and a TPU bumper. It is a nice and snug fit. There's a 1.3 millimeter raised lip over the screen, and there's 0.8 millimeter bezel over the camera lenses. The back is really smooth. Like, I don't know if I've ever felt a case like this before, like really smooth. The sides are a bit grippier, but not grippy. Just a really nice feel. It is MagSafe, so it's gonna have a great, really strong hold with any MagSafe components, such as a ring grip or a phone mount. And it's gonna have wireless charging as well. It's super slim. Gonna go in and out of that pocket, nice and easy. Taking it back out to look inside for a moment before we install everything else. We've got built-in airbags in each of the 4 corners for extra shock-proof drop protection. Let's go ahead and get the extra protection installed. First, we are going to clean the screen and the lenses. Then, we dry them. If you have any dust or lint or anything like that, you just peel off and use these stickers. Peel this off. There's the top, and we're going to line it up and stick it. If you have any bubbles, no worries. First, you could try to push them out. I've still got a couple of teeny ones, so in that case, you could just peel it back. Try again. All right, there we go. It's a nice feel. Feels just like your regular screen. Now we will put on the lens protectors. They are self-adhesive. Just line everything up and push it on right over. Boom. Pop it back in your case. So there we go. That's with the lens protectors on, and the case really nicely protected. Looks nice, gonna be flush, easy to clean and keep clean. A great case for your iPhone 15 Pro.